Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Monday, April 14th, and this is my analysis for the US dollar Swiss. If you haven't done so yet, definitely do check out my free Discord group, which is linked down here in the corner at the end of the video, and take a look at my website, fxpipcollector.com. So, anyways, US dollar Swiss has been very strong to the downside. If we go all the way up to the very high time frames, especially like the weekly and monthly, I mean, to me, it still looks like it is a correction, but it could easily drift down to the 78%, which is right around the 0.76 area. So it definitely does not have to be over anytime soon. We did just take out a very significant structure, of the previous structure right here, but that definitely doesn't mean that it's going to go up in any significant way. Now, if we go down to the 1 hour time frame, my last structure level on the 1 hour is right here. If it broke above here, the first thing I would do is throw my Fibonacci retracement on there. Now, I don't know that it's going to break up. It could just be making another three-way pullback. It could make another lower high, and it could just keep on trending down. So I definitely would be recommending shorts in a downtrend still, 100%. I'm just saying that if it does break this structure, first thing I would do is throw my Fibonacci retracement on there. Then you could justify looking for longs on the sort of time frames if you wanted to. For me personally, I will continue to look for shorts even if it gets a break of structure, because the next move would very likely just be a correction to the last move down. It would very likely just go up to a Fibonacci retracement level, making a golfing move to the downside, and probably end up continuing the higher time frame downtrend. So I'm definitely very, very bearish, especially on the higher time frames. I don't trade the very short time frames, so if it does break structure, you could try going long. I personally would much rather just wait for the end of a correction to go short again for the continuation of the downtrend. So anyways, don't forget to like and subscribe, and as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.